Decentralized Autonomous Organizations (DAOs). Decentralized Autonomous Organizations (DAOs) represent a groundbreaking paradigm in the realm of blockchain technology and decentralized governance. DAOs are self-executing and self-enforcing smart contracts that encode the rules and regulations governing an organization's operations. Technical foundations of DAOs. The technical foundations of decentralized autonomous organizations (DAOs) lie at the intersection of blockchain technology and smart contracts. Blockchain, the distributed and decentralized ledger technology that underpins DAOs, ensures transparency and immutability. Governance mechanisms in DAOs. DAO governance lies in the concept of on-chain governance, where decisions are recorded and executed through smart contracts on the blockchain. Governance mechanisms in DAOs represent a dynamic and evolving field, exploring innovative ways to distribute decision-making authority in decentralized systems. Applications of DAOs across industries. The applications of decentralized autonomous organizations (DAOs) extend across a diverse array of industries, marking a paradigm shift in how organizations collaborate, coordinate, and make decisions. Security and risks in DAOs. Security and risks in decentralized autonomous organizations (DAOs) are critical aspects that demand careful consideration as these innovative structures become integral parts of the blockchain ecosystem. Legal and regulatory landscape. Legal structures are often designed for centralized entities with identifiable points of control, making it challenging to fit decentralized and autonomous organizations into established regulatory frameworks. The regulatory challenges extend beyond the DAOs themselves to encompass the broader ecosystem, including cryptocurrency transactions, token issuance, and decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms. Conclusion. In conclusion, decentralized autonomous organizations (DAOs) represent a transformative force at the intersection of blockchain technology, decentralized governance, and organizational structures. DAOs find diverse applications across industries, from reshaping decentralized finance (DeFi) and supply chain management to revolutionizing gaming and content creation.